Hello everyone. I'm not very good at making YouTube videos, but I wanted to try to document the process of trying to restore the trim on this car. It's always annoyed me how faded everything looks. You can see right there. And I've heard really good things about using ceramic-based trim restorer, how long it lasts and how good it looks. So we'll be giving it a shot today. So I actually washed this car last night. It's around 9 a.m. the next day, so everything should be clean. I may have to wipe off some dust, but I guess make sure to start with a clean car. Here's some detail shots of what the trim looks like right now. I haven't put any like standard back to black or anything on it, so this is pretty much how I got the car back in September. This is the product I ended up going with. I think it was about 20 bucks online, and it comes with 10 wipes and a pair of gloves to apply it. So it says wash, dry, and apply. Here are the contents inside, the 10 wipes and the gloves, and that's about how big the wipes are. Sorry for the yard work noise, but I just finished applying the first one. I was able to get one mirror and the trim that goes like that, and that piece right there. Don't be like me and plan ahead to do this in the shade, because I just had to move the car from the sun. And of course, take off any license plates or anything that would be blocking any trim. I'm a little concerned with how you can see like a little bits of streaking. I hope it doesn't like stay like that. Here's a nice little before and after. I don't know if this is the best practice or not, but it seems like the streaking is caused by too much product. So I kind of just gave it a once over with one of the old towelettes, and it seems to have reduced the amount of streaking. And you can kind of see it looks pretty good now. I had to migrate once again because of the sun. This is my last wipe, and I may have messed up because I still have all of the side skirts to do. I may have to order another box. I think I can manage to get the last few pieces of trim with these leftover wipes. So I got these back sections, they look way better. Now I just need these like little side bits. Somehow I managed to squeeze every last drop of the ceramic trim restorer out of those last few wipes. I don't know how long these side skirts will last, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out overall. Do a little walk around. if there are any lessons learned from this experience, I think it would be to do this on an overcast day. Also, be a little bit more thorough when cleaning all the little nooks and crannies around the trim pieces. I feel like I missed a few spots, and I don't know if the dirt would affect the longevity of how long the ceramic coating will last. I guess only time will tell. And finally, be a little bit more wary on how many wipes I'm using, because I pretty much ran out at the end